This story inspires us to work selflessly. This story also gives us the message to look at every living being generously. Roth in this story feeds all his food to a hungry dog without any profit or loss. God blesses Roth for this selfless act. The summary of the story is as follows. Sethji was very pious and generous. Sethji was so religious that no saint or sage returned disappointed from his door. He got a full meal. The door of his storehouse was always open for everyone. He performed many yagnas and distributed much money among the poor in charity. Due to Sethji's generosity, no one used to go empty-handed at his door, but suddenly Sethji's fortunes changed and he had to face poverty. At such a time, even his friends turned their backs on him, and this was the reason for Rothji's sorrow. A tradition was prevalent in those days. There used to be buying and selling of fruits of the birds. The price was given according to the size of the fruit. When there was a lot of financial crisis, one day the wife of Sethji advised Sethji to sell one of his fruits. Thus, due to extreme poverty, the wife of Sethji advised Seth to sell his fruits. At that time, there was a lot of buying and selling of fruits, so Sethji decided to sell one of his fruits to overcome his bad times. There was a town named Kundanpur at a distance of 10 to 12 km from Reeth, where a rich man named Dhanna Sethji lived. Seth decided to sell his fruits to him. The Sethji got up early in the morning and started towards Kundanpur. It was summer and Sethji thought that it would be good to get up before the sun rises as much as possible, but as soon as he crossed half the distance, he got tired. When he saw a grove of trees and wells in front, Sethji decided to stop the horse for some time and take rest and food. When he saw a grove of trees and a well in front, Sethji decided to stop for a while and have some rest and food. He drew water from the basket and washed his hands and feet. After that, he sat under the tree with a pot of water and was about to break a roti to eat when he saw a dog lying at a distance with a hand and struggling. Due to the dust, he had become so weak that he was not able to lift his neck. Seeing this, Sethji's heart became angry and he slowly fed all his food to the dog. The lamp is lit. The Sethji reaches Dhanna Sethji's place and tells him about selling his yagya. Meanwhile, Dhanna Sethji's wife arrives. Dhanna Sethji's wife was a great scholar. It was popular about her that she had some divine power due to which she could know about the three worlds. Dhanna Sethji's wife talks to Sethji about selling his Mahayagna. When Dhanna Sethji's wife told him about selling his Mahayagna, he was surprised because forget about Mahayagna, Sethji had not done any normal fame for years. Then Dhanna Seth's wife tells him about Mahayagna in which he feeds his food to a hungry dog on the road. According to that, staying hungry and feeding rotis to a hungry dog is great fame. This kind of fame done by giving away wealth with the desire to earn fame is not true fame. Only the work done selflessly is the real fame. However, according to Sethji, it was his human duty to feed roti to the hungry dog. There was no question of love in it. Reeth did not think it right to take the price of his human duty, so Sethji did not agree to sell his food and returned to his home. When Sethani's husband returned empty-handed from Dhanna Seth's place in Kundanpur village, she first got scared, but when she came to know about the whole incident, her pain vanished. Her heart was filled with emotion seeing that even in adversity, her husband did not leave his duty, and for this, Sethani thanked her husband's blood on her head. At night, Sethani got up and came to light the lamp. On the way she collided with a seed and almost fell. She reached the alcove carefully and after lighting the lamp, she looked down and saw that the stone with the support of the threshold had become high, in the middle of which the lock of the door was fixed. Till evening that stone had not been lifted at all. Now why did it suddenly get lifted? When Sethani called Roth and told him about the iron lock in the hall, Sethji was also surprised. Sethji held the lock and pulled it, the stone got lifted and stairs to go inside appeared. Sethji and his wife started going down the stairs. As they went down a few stairs, they saw so much light that their eyes started dazzling. Sethji saw that it was a huge cellar and it was glittering with jewels. Then they heard an invisible voice saying that this was the reward for the work they had done. Sethji and his wife felt blessed after hearing this divine voice, bowed down to the ground and paid obeisance to God. Characterization: Sethai Dhani. Dhani Sethai was a very humble, generous, and dutiful person. He was always a man who walked on the path of truth. No saint or sage returned disappointed from his doorstep. He got a full meal. Whoever made a wish in front of him, his wish was fulfilled. Despite being poor, he did not forget his duty. Even though he was hungry, he fed all his 4 rotis to a hungry dog. When Dhanna Sethji's wife told him about this incident, he called it only a duty and returned home from there without selling the yagya. But when he found a hidden treasure filled with diamonds and jewels in the courtyard of his house, he prayed to God, "O Lord, keep my duty sense awake. Give me the wisdom and strength to reduce the sufferings of others by bearing my sufferings." Characterization: The Sethji's wife was a wise woman who supported her husband in times of distress. She advised her husband to sell the fruits of one of his sacrifices. She was initially frightened to see her husband returning empty-handed from Dhanna Sethji's house, but on learning that her husband did not abandon his path of duty even in times of crisis, she became proud and asked her husband to be patient. She had unwavering faith in God, which is why she said that God would do good to everything. Thus, Sethji's wife was religious, believed in God's grace, was patient, and was of a very contented nature. Dear students, if you found this explanation helpful, please share this video with your friends so they can also benefit from it. I've included links to summaries of other lessons in the description. Be sure to check those out as well. For more lesson explanations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.